I'm David Albright, Product Manager at Chief. I'm excited to share with you our latest workspace solution, the Koncīs series dynamic monitor arms. First up will be the Koncīs DMA-1B single monitor arm. As you can see, the DMA-1B box includes Koncīs branding and comes in an efficiently packaged size of roughly 12 inches by 8 inches by 4 inches. Inside, we have a single-page quick setup guide that boils down the essentials of everything provided in the full installation manual. The DMA-1 arm ships in two complete sub-assemblies, the base and the arm. First, take out the base. The base features a two-piece desk clamp that supports both edge clamp and grommet hole mounting. Install this to the desk. If grommet mounting, remove the lower portion of the clamp by simply loosening the two screws and sliding it off. Then place the base down through the grommet hole and reinstall and tighten the lower clamp with the hand knot. Then take out the arm. The Koncīs arms feature a 180-degree rotation stop pin in the base. Remove this if you'd like to have full 360-degree rotation of the arm for applications like corner desks and private offices where there may not be a wall or furniture panel immediately behind the desktop. Then simply slide the arm onto the base. Your arm install is nearly complete. Lastly, remove the quick release interface and fasten to the back of your monitor with the provided M4 hardware and spacers. And then snap the monitor back onto the arm. Listen for that satisfying click to know that the monitor is safely engaged. Finally, plug your cables into the monitor and clean up the installation by securing them within the integrated underarm cable management. Next up, I'll share the Koncīs DMA-2S dual monitor arm, which comes in a slightly larger but efficiently packed box of roughly 14 inches by 8 inches by 4 inches. Inside, we have the same quick setup guide and installation manual. Once again, remove the dual arm base and install to the desktop. Then slide the arms onto the base posts. And remove the quick release interfaces for installing to the monitors. Again, reconnect the monitors to the arm. Listen for that satisfying click to be sure the interfaces have properly engaged. Then, run your cables and secure them with the underarm integrated cable management. Quick and easy. Again, I'm David Albright, and thanks for watching. To learn more about the Koncīs series dynamic monitor arms, please go to legrandav.com/workspace. Thanks, and be well.